like every
You spill it? Fuck! You'll be cleaning out your car in like 3 weeks and you'll be like, what the fuck is this? Oh god, you'll lose it?
it went in my bag, I think.
I hope so.
Ew! Not everyone can make those noises. Not even close.
No.
I don't even have to open my mouth. Also, I'm not like breathing at all when I do that. It's just like.
Are you deflating?
Worst Wookiee ever.
You're deflating!
Oh wait, no, I was trying to do that noise. I was like, wait, no, if I do that, I'm going to choke to death.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
And then after I choke to death, after I'm finally dead, you just wah wah wah.
Too
much. I used to have a cat that would sound like that. Whenever she was in heat, she'd run around the house going. Except less guttural.
Interesting.